Hey, what's up everybody? It's Michael here at Byerly with another product of the week.
For the rest of your life. Byerly Trade.
Thetford's Premium RV Wash and Wax is a convenient 2-in-1 cleaning solution that not only cleans, but leaves a protective coating, giving your RV that like-new shine. The Premium Wash and Wax quickly and easily removes black streaks, dried-on bugs, dirt, road film, bird droppings, and more. Easy to use, add 2 to 4 ounces of wash and wax per gallon of water. Thoroughly rinse surface and apply with a clean sponge, cloth, or soft bristle brush. Rinse thoroughly, then dry with a clean cloth or chamois. Non-flammable and biodegradable, Thetford's Premium RV Wash and Wax has been tested safe for rubber seals, gel coat finish, and RV decals. It also works great on your car, truck, or boat too. Starting April 9th and running through the 15th, Thetford's Premium RV Wash and Wax will be on sale, in-store and online. $6.99 for the 32-ounce bottle and $21.99 for the 1 gallon. Be on the lookout next week when we take a look at Thetford's Premium RV Rubber Roof Cleaner and Conditioner. To stay up to date on all our latest videos, including these products of the week, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also like and follow us on Facebook to stay up to date on any upcoming events, promotions, and news.
For the rest of your life.